Okay. Hello mga Karakan Reels. Okay, andito na tayo sa BCA. We're live. So this is the entrance to the BCA World Pool Championship. Kung nakikita nyo, andito yung mga pros. These are the posters for the pros. This is the main entrance. And these are the posters for BCA World Pool Championship. You got the CSI. And you also got the USA Pool League Nationals. Okay.
Oh, right now?
So
Are we gonna go over the USA field?
we will go to the main entrance. So sa main entrance, ang makikita agad natin is mini competition. So mini competition to, pero ang daming tables. Right? Ayan, oh. Wow. Mini comp yan. It's around maybe you see 309, 352. Yan, puro mini competition yan. So meaning like 8 players per one comp. Okay, then dito naman sa side na to, pasok tayo. Ito naman ang sa mga professional players bukas. Diyan sila. Yan. So the pro player will play here tomorrow. Look at the table, golden Predator tables. Wow. Look. So pro billiards. Right? So here. So we have the minicom schedule, the professional schedule for tomorrow. We got these. Jeffrey Roda will be playing tomorrow at around 9 a.m. Si Carlo Biado also will play tomorrow at 9 a.m. And Ivan Cortesa will play also tomorrow at around 1 p.m. So nililinis na nila yan. Yung venue, yan. So dalawang groups yan sila. Ito, tsaka dito. They're still cleaning already. So, let's go here. Then dito naman ang TV table for the professionals. Yan. Okay, kaya tayo. So, yan. So, yung isang TV table. Okay. Then, ito naman yung isa. Okay. Ganda, no? Wow, look at that. Okay. Then, sa amateurs naman, papakita ko sa inyo amateurs, yung lalaruan namin for BCA. Dito, kita mo yun? Sa kabilang side. Yan. All the amateurs will play bukas dyan. The BCA teams. Diyan naman maglalaro. Look. Wow. How many tables na? Around maybe 200 yun nandito. Nalalaroan bukas. Isang room pa lang to, ha. This is only one room. And how many tables they have here? 300, I think, or 200 maybe. Okay. Then, the greatest experience. Look, the greatest pool experience in the world. Look at that. and the CSI, Q Sports International. So ito pa isang venue. Isa pang rooms. Pasok tayo. So this is what they call the calm before the storm. Hi. So meron mga seller din dito. Nakapwesto na sila. So if you want some cues, you want some accessories, you just go here. Alright. You can buy. Diba? Ang ganda. Mga t-shirts. Bukas na yan. Ngayon parang preparation pa lang. Pero tomorrow is war. So ito pa yung sa venue. Look. Man. What a big room here. A lot of tables too, man. Dami. Look. Man. If you will compete here, wow. Ako, kakabahan kayo siguro. Mga ka-rock and reels, ibang vibes dito. Ibang excitement. Okay, ito na yung ibang sellers. Diba? Kung gusto nyo ng mga accessories, they got accessories. They got cues. Oh, nice. Wow. If you want gloves. Look, ooh. All the type of bugs in here. The table, predator tables. So QTech is here also. Probably they will open tomorrow. Because tomorrow is the start of the tournament. Kamui is here. Look at that. Oh, wow. What the venue. Hi. If you want some shoes and jackets, full accessories, gloves, everything is here. Look at that. Bags. So the people are start practicing. This is not a tournament, but everybody's practicing. Except me and Glenn. We're busy vlogging. Okay. Excuse me. So if you want some queue repairs, we have here. So while pag nasiraan ka while competing, you got here. Alright.
Have you taken pictures of the next room? Where do you see it?
Oh, there's another one.
It's like, okay. Well, it's just...
Okay. We have the Paggulayan here. They got their shirts, accessories. So we're just showing you the venue, okay? The venue of the
Okay, so I'm on the
CSI.
opposite end of the room from you. Look to your left. Stop.
Look,
And raise my hand.
maybe how many tables are these? 120 plus tables here, but you got another 200 somewhere outside, and you got the minicom. Minicom is only around 8 players for one comp, but the tables are huge. Seems like this one also. Okay, these are the players. Everybody's practicing, preparing for tomorrow. Kaya mga ka-rock and drills, sumali kayo sa BCA to experience this. Iba yung feeling, iba yung vibes, you know? Para kang excited, ready to go to war. Oh, you want magpa-repair? They got all the repair, they got the case, they got the leathers. Oh, they got here queues for raffles. These are queues for raffles. Nice. Okay. What else? Ikot pa tayo. So, as per Jackie comment, you want to see some queues? Sorry, Jackie, I think the queues will be available tomorrow for showing, but they have some here. This is the Raven queues. You got the Q-Tech case. Ha? Tudan tayo, tara. Okay, this is the venue. The players.
They left and did some other stuff. I don't know exactly.
Pag di makapag-practice, di mag-vlog.
Shout out to Jackie. Jackie, we're still here. But we will message you later, okay? Hi, bro. Hi.
Guys, your bedtime.
So, some are teams, some are playing for singles, some are playing for doubles. They said there's another room here, but it's not yet open. So probably tomorrow we'll show you again. Galing. Let's show. Galing na tayo dito eh. Oh, what? What the? Wow. Sige. Punta kami rito. We will go here. Some people are still waiting to get the opportunity to practice. Because currently the balls are limited. Some tables are not available for playing. Some are. Okay, for jockey who want to see the cues, we have some cues here. I'll show you. The Omega. The Omega shop. We will just pick because they're still closed. But we can some cues. Can see some cues like this one, eh? We will show you. Have you seen the purple predator break cue? There. I don't know if you can see. Have you seen that? Purple break BK Rush. Then you have also the purple jump cues. Then cases. We have the we have the Universal, Jaws, Mesu, Lucasi. You got the Q-Tex here. Wow, so good. You got the McDermott. You got the beautiful Predator cues right there. Look at that rock and reels, boys. Cases. Uy. Ganda, no? Okay, lalabas na kami ni paring Glenn dito sa main entrance. Okay. Tomorrow it's game time. Okay. All right. Okay. Oops. Okay. Man. Look at the table, say. How many tables here, Glenn? Around 200?
200. 1, 253, or 288 to 216, about 100.
Ooh. Alright. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you to Ivan. Tita Minda Victolero is watching. Thank you. Pakita lang namin sa inyo yung mga lalaruan ng Pro. Iba yung tables nila. It's a 9-foot and a Golden Predator table. Ang ganda, na? Okay. So that's all, my dear friends. My dear rock and roll friends. Me and Glenn. Okay. We'll be signing out. Thank you.